You can find additional productivity tips, best practices, and news on the Unity website and Unity blogs and on Unity community forums and on the Unity Learn. The Unity Developer Tools microsite makes it easy for you to find some of the best resources for developing with Unity. That includes documentation, the knowledge base, issue tracker, and Unity latest roadmap and release information. Thank you for joining and completing this course. I will be keep updating this course and adding more new videos. And you can also ask me any topic you want. I will be making video on that and will be added on this course. And again, thank you so much for joining this course and keep learning and take yourself. I hope this course helps you and I will see you in my next course.